All right, now it's getting even more windier. So I have to come out again. Look at this. There. It flipped the other way now. Now it's pointing east. The muted swan is now pointing east. It was pointing west before. It's over now. I missed it spinning. I wish I had the video capture of it spinning, but I missed that. The wind and the snow just seemed to pick up a few minutes ago. It's after 3 o'clock now. And it looks like it just picked up. And you can see there's people, hardly anyone on 87, but I just saw a vehicle go by. The visibility is bad. I don't think you can really see it. I think now you can. It just cleared up a little bit. I feel like a kid again. This is like really kind of weird. I'm standing out here in the snow freezing. But it's kind of fun. It feels kind of cool too to see this. Is going to start rotating again, I think. It went from west to east. I missed the video of that. I missed that capture. It just it just moved a little bit southeast. It's back east again, northeast. But now it's just about in the east. It moved slightly south, but stayed in the east direction. It didn't make a full spin like it did before. I really do feel like a kid. I think anyone who's in the weather is a kid at heart. I really do. So all you weathermen out there, I definitely believe you're all children at heart. And just fascinated by weird weather. Like snow and wind. So kudos to all you weathermen. Go back inside. I just want to see it rotate again, but it's not doing it. But at least we got both directions. How it shifted from the east to the west and then back to the east again. It's pretty amazing. Now it's still east. missed it. Darn it. The minute I moved. Look, it's going west now. I can't believe I missed that. I went to check the wind out and it just went west again. This is amazing. Yeah. Pointing east. It's pointing west now, sorry. It went back to the west. It spun actually all the way south until it came to the west again. And now it looks like it's swaying back and forth, north and south. While it's pointing west, it's going back and forth, north and south. Mostly south. Okay? Sort of going. I can't believe the minute I moved the camera before it swayed. It mirrored, actually. It mirrored from pointing east to west. This is where it was originally when I first started videotaping this earlier. And now it's doing it again. And my hands are freezing because I don't have gloves on. I should put gloves on. I'm going to head out now. It's over 6 minutes I'm doing this. Okay, bye.